Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a super simple way to send multiple videos to any chat on WhatsApp web, right from your PC. Whether you're sharing clips with friends, colleagues, or a family group, the latest update has made it much easier and faster. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to WhatsApp web. If you haven't linked your phone yet, just scan the QR code with your mobile WhatsApp app to log in. Once you're in, you'll see all your chats appear on the left-hand side of the screen. Now, click on the chat where you want to send your videos. This could be an individual chat or a group conversation. It works exactly the same for both. Once inside the chat, you'll notice a small plus icon at the bottom next to the message bar. Click on that plus icon. A few options will appear. Choose photos and videos. This is where the new update really shines, because now you can select and send multiple videos all at once. When your File Explorer window opens, navigate to the folder where your videos are saved. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard while clicking each video you want to send. This lets you select as many clips as you need in one go. Once you've chosen all your videos, click Open. You'll now see a preview window showing all the videos you've selected. Here you can type a caption if you'd like, or simply move on. When everything looks good, click Send. Depending on your file sizes and internet speed, the upload might take a few moments. And that's it. Your selected videos will be delivered together in a single batch, ready for your contact or group to view right away. This new update makes sharing multiple videos on WhatsApp web smoother than ever. No more sending one file at a time. Try it out today and make your next chat more fun, fast, and media rich.